What is going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to talk about this new brand software that Jonathan Montoya is going to launch today. The name is Funnel Freedom, and basically with this software we're going to be able to promote multiple offers in seconds, leverage pre-made emails and YouTube videos as your own. So Jonathan is going to launch the software today, and I'm going to test it, and also I'm going to give you all the details and the information about this new product. So what I know about this software is that he has made like an email sequence with this software, and basically instead of instead of of working ourselves writing the emails. For example, I have written all these emails and also put my affiliate links in each one of them. For example, I have put here links for my YouTube channel. This is also to promote a YouTube video, and instead of building our own email sequence, we're going to be able to use his email sequence and his YouTube videos. But when someone buys through the links, we can make that commission. For example, I know that we are going to put like our links in all of those in all in his email sequence. For example, the our link of ClickFunnels, then Get Response, then our link for the 72-hour challenge, for the legendary marketer, for System.io, and then we just need to like click a button and then drive traffic to that system, and we can use the leverage of his YouTube videos to drive traffic to our links. So I'm going to test this software, guys. I'm going to create content about it so you can know if this is a really good system to promote. And if you have any questions, for example, I promote many of his trainings, the 72-hour challenge Freedom Accelerator. So I bought this training, and I think this is a great training to start affiliate marketing. But some people don't have the time to build their own email sequence, to build their own sales funnel. So I'm pretty excited about this, and let's see what happens, right? Because when when something of this kind of product is in the market, for example, I have been in the affiliate marketplace, in the affiliate marketing space since 2017, and I haven't watched yet a system like this one. For example, that you just need to put your affiliate links, and basically like having this email sequence. I don't know if they have like, if this email sequence has like 100 emails, something like that, in which we can promote multiple affiliate offers. Because the more offers we promote as an affiliate marketer, we can make more money. The more emails we collect, we can make more money. So this is going to be really interesting, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to keep updating this. I'm going to keep creating content about this new training, because I know people, they want to know how this new brand software is going to work, right? So this is pretty interesting. So if you have any questions, comment down below, like and subscribe, and God bless.